Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of punch card knitting, a surprisingly relevant piece of computing history. It's a story of digital technology in a very analog form. Intriguing, right?
Absolutely. I've heard whispers of punch cards in computing history, but knitting? That's a new one. What's the connection?
Well, punch cards, traditionally associated with early computers, are still used in knitting machines. Think of them as the original binary code. Holes represent yes, no holes represent no. This simple system dictates the intricate patterns created by the machine. It's a beautiful example of how a seemingly outdated technology remains surprisingly relevant.
So these aren't just historical artifacts? They're actively used?
Exactly. The article highlights how these machines, while largely replaced in commercial settings, are still used by hobbyists and even remain in production, albeit on a smaller scale. It's a testament to their enduring appeal.
That's amazing! But the article also mentions challenges in preserving these punch card patterns, right? It's a bit ironic, digitizing something already digital.
You're spot on. The challenge lies in translating the physical punch cards into a digital format that's easily usable and reproducible. Simply scanning an image isn't enough. The quality needs to be exceptional to accurately capture the hole patterns. Low-quality scans lead to errors, resulting in jammed machines and frustrated knitters.
So what are some of the solutions being explored?
Several approaches are being investigated. One method involves painstakingly recreating the punch cards by hand, using a physical hole punch and a ruler. Tedious, but true to the original methods. Others are experimenting with CNC machines, which can precisely cut paper based on digital designs. This is more efficient, but requires high-quality scans to work effectively.
And what about the data itself? How are they storing the information?
That's where things get interesting. A common approach uses plain text files encoded in ASCII, representing the yes and no patterns. This is more compact than images and easier to share and modify. It's a clever workaround, but it does lose some of the original context.
I see. So there's a trade-off between preserving the original physical format and creating a more easily usable digital version. It seems like a balance between historical accuracy and practical application.
Precisely. The article emphasizes the importance of high-quality scans for posterity, regardless of the chosen method. The better the scan, the easier it will be to work with the data in the future, even with advancements in technology. It's a long-term investment in preservation.
And what about the broader implications? The article mentions feminist computing history.
Yes. Punch card knitting machines were often used by women, both in industrial settings and at home. This makes them a significant part of the often overlooked history of women in computing. It's a fascinating intersection of technology, gender, and craft.
It really is. The article also highlights the open-source nature of this community, which is quite refreshing in today's world of proprietary software.
Absolutely. The accessibility and ease of modification are key aspects. You can own your code, your machine, and your creations without restrictions. It's a powerful statement about control and creativity.
It's a compelling story, highlighting the enduring relevance of seemingly outdated technologies and the importance of preserving both the physical and digital aspects of our cultural heritage.
Indeed, and it shows how even seemingly simple technologies can have profound implications for computing history, gender studies, and the future of craft. A truly fascinating intersection of disciplines. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of punch card knitting. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.